Hi, Tolly here. This drawing right here was something I did a while back, and there is a video that I will link to the end of this that you can go and look. But I wanted to show the end result. So here you go. It's finished, it's sealed, and I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it. Because like I said, I don't like this right here. This rendering area. You know, you guys might like it now. It looks a little different in the camera. Kind of looks like, oh, what do you call that? A canvas over a, maybe a stairwell or something. I don't know, but I just didn't care for it. But anyways, this is the end product. It's been trimmed. It's been glued, as you can see. And let's see. Yep. That's the end result. So I will link the video for this at the end of this page, and you can watch it. Thank you. See you later. Bye.